it is complete paradise. There's one dish that is found throughout the 17,000 islands of Indonesia, and that's this sweet treat, Dadar Gulung. It's a breakfast staple and it's found throughout street food stalls. So far, everything I've had has been palate-igniting, fiery foods. Savory, but now it's time to switch to something sweet. And to do that, here is Mar by the Mar. We're gonna make Dadar Gulung.
Dadar Gulung. Today
Nice.
we will make a special Indonesian dessert. First step, we will make the filling.
Okay.
The filling made from coconut, palm sugar, and some jackfruit.
Oh,
Okay.
jackfruit. I thought that was mango.
No, that's a jackfruit.
Nice.
So we put all together and reheat the coconut.
Okay.
Okay.
How much do you need?
Yeah, just put it
all of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just pour it.
Next.
And then the jackfruit
Jackfruit.
and the
Jackfruit.
palm sugar.
Oh, look at that. So thick and rich. I love palm sugar because it's a natural product. It's not processed in any way. So you
Yes.
get all the trace minerals and nutrients. So if you have the option, go to an Asian store, grab yourself palm sugar or jaggery as they call it in different parts of Asia. Much better to work with than your table sugar, refined crap. Palm sugar is coating the shredded coconut. Yeah, let it
Yeah.
caramelize,
Yeah.
let the flavors all meld together, richer, more complex.
Yes, right. Just little bit caramelized,
Yeah.
and it's enough.
Okay. Okay. Can I taste?
Yeah, sure. Leave it for a second.
That jackfruit, even though it's a tiny amount, really imparts a lot of its flavor, that jackfruit.
What's the taste?
Nice, rich,
Right.
very deep, rich, sugary goodness.
Now we will make the crabs.
Okay.
For the dadar gulung, we need to make the crabs, put the filling inside, and we roll it.
Roll it.
Yeah.
And this is arguably the harder part, the crepes.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
So for the crabs, we will put all the ingredients together, like
Okay.
water, pandan
Pandan.
juice, eggs, sugar, salt,
Okay.
melted butter, and flour.
Okay.
Yeah. So just put the sugar on
Okay.
the bowl, and then eggs. So we just whisk it first.
Okay, this is the important one.
Yeah. Butter,
Some butter.
little bit of salt, all-purpose flour.
All-purpose
Okay.
flour.
Then just whisk it like this.
Nice green color that looks perfect for St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah. So now we will strain the butter.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So you're getting all the thick, clumpy bits out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Filling batter, easy. All
Yeah.
right, let's see how it comes together.
Okay.
Here's the tricks of the trade. Half a ladle of batter.
Yeah.
No butter on the pan.
No need.
Okay.
Just non-sticky
Just
pan.
pour it.
Yeah, on the middle and just move the pan. Yeah, just quickly. Yes, and move the pan like that.
Okay, rotate.
Yes,
Oh, I
just
see.
rotate. It's okay. Just
Ah.
yeah, just keep moving until the butter stop moving.
Keep moving until the batter stops moving.
Yes. Around 1 minute to make sure that it's cooked.
And we're not gonna flip it to the other side.
No, we not flip it because if we flip it, it will be crispy and
Okay.
difficult to roll.
Right,
So
right.
yeah, only one side. That's why we put on low heat.
Yeah, it's not too hard.
You see, right?
Yeah. Okay, so I'll just
Yeah. Yeah.
be
Just little bit.
gentle.
Yeah, just flip it. Yes.
Get out of there. Okay, I didn't do a pretty a job, but all right, that'll cool down. All right, so we got the cooked crepes.
Crepes
We have
and the filling. So the last part is just roll it.
Roll it.
Okay?
Okay.
Just put the filling inside and we roll it.
Okay.
Just put the filling over here.
How much filling? Personal
Yes,
preference?
I think, yeah, I think a little bit too much.
Too much?
Yeah.
It's okay. I like it stuffed up.
Then we start from the bottom like this. Just flip it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll show you one time. And then from side, right side, left side, and then we roll it like this.
I'm totally gonna forget, but
Yeah. Just start from the bottom, left side, right side, and roll it. That's it. So,
shall we? Is there any topping, or are we just having this as
No,
is?
just only this because we
Okay.
already put sugar on the.
Doesn't need anything else.
Yes,
Perfect
correct.
as
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
All right.
Let's
well,
have it.
cheers.
Yeah. Cheers. So funny. Inside will be like this.
You know what? That jackfruit is such a good combination with that palm sugar, the coconut.
Correct.
The pandan crepe is so delightful. It's just like the right amount of chewiness, playful, and
The crepe is
the
soft.
sugar is not intense. It's just like rich. It's got
Yes,
depth, you know, but it's not
Correct.
like a candy sweetness.
Yes.
Now, when would you have Dadar Gulung?
Usually we have it with the coffee in the morning or afternoon as afternoon tea complement. Right there.
Nice. So you start off your day with this?
Yes, correct.
Palm
Basically,
sugar
this is-
for energy. This is delightful. It's got all the flavors of tropical Asia. You
Yes,
got coconut, you got palm sugar, jackfruit.
Yeah,
The best way to have jackfruit is here, right here, Dadar Gulung.
sure.
That's,
It's a-
you know, the unique taste of jackfruit.
correct, like
Yeah.
a jelly inside of
Yeah,
the coconut.
exactly.
Okay.
Fun. Nice. Now I know how to make Dadar Gulung.
With breakfast done, it's time to get serious. Chef Madi is heading to the market to get his shopping done for the property, and I want to poke around to gain some insight. We mosey on over to the local market to pick up some seafood and veggies.
This is the market that you prefer, yeah?
Certainly, yes. Because when the seafood like that in the sun is not really nice.